Thank you, sir.
Hey, Vietnam, take a picture. Hey, Vietnam, take a video.
Magdali ko rin ba? May sakit na ilang tuhod. Ituhod si Kagpatanon na itong kauban.
Shout out us Reaction Vlog YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Duterte! Nay na! Yes, Duterte! Mabuhay! Duterte pa rin, tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Bayang minamahal, darasal na muli. Yes, salamat! Salamat! Thank you! Duterte pa rin! G, anong masasabi mo sa ating pagtitipon ngayon?
Ito ay coalition of the Duterte supporters. Like 6 organizations join hands here for the parade and support of Inday Sara Duterte presidential election. Support tayo kay Inday Sara, okay?
Sa 2028. Okay.
Happy 100th Independence Day.
Yes.
New York City.
Yes. Kasama din natin si Midnight 123. Sir, what can you say?
We're excited to be here. I gotta tell you, just another beautiful day in New York, celebrating the life of Rodrigo Duterte, doing everything we can to get our message out there to bring him home and back to the Philippines, to his family, friends, where that man belongs. So we tell him to The Hague, tell him to the Netherlands, with that illegal kidnapping that you did. This is an atrocity. This is disgusting. Bring him home now. Woo!
Thank you, thank you. Bring him home. Yes! Inday Sara. SMNI, hello. Kumusta? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Na-interview ko. Yeah, mamaya. Thank you. Mabuhay. Beng,
At this point,
Anong mensahe mo?
Mr. Freddy Aguilar
Ay,
for a
sana may
special
kalayaan sa
news briefing.
korupsyon ng Pilipinas! Duterte!
Thank you.
Duterte forever!
Thank you, thank you. Sir. Salamat. Thanks.
Duterte!
Yes!
Duterte! Tatay ni Copenhagen!
Woo! Ito po ngayon ang kaganapan dito sa New York. We are supporters of Duterte! Thank you! Duterte! Sir! 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 Bakit Duterte tayo?
Duterte! Bring him home!
Thank you! Thank you! Join us! Join us! Come on! Join us! Join! That side! Ang stage na side! Okay? Bye, bye. Ang stage nasa side kani. Oh, okay? Yes! Duterte! Tayong lahat kay Rodrigo. Thank you, DDS, all over the world. March.
Akong si Rangay, pati buhugay mo target. Sige, lakaw lang.
Salamat. Thank you, Sir Flo. Stop. Sir Flo. Si Arnold, abang-abangan mo dyan. Duterte! Duterte! Bakit sinusuportahan mo si Duterte? Yes, very good. Thank you. Join ka, join. Join ka. Halika. Sir, can you join? Sir, come. Here. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Join, join. Duterte, join it. Join, join. Come join us. Join us. Join, join. Okay lang, okay lang. Sige, walang problema. Join, join. Join, join. Come on.
Sumbong ko kung kanusa, di mo open.
Woo! Ibang level ang energy dito. Duterte! Yes! Bring him home!
different political organizations dedicated and uniting Filipino-American communities in support of principled leadership, active civic engagement.
Duterte! Bring him home! Bring him home! Duterte! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
VP Sara Duterte in 2028 and beyond.
Bring him home!
Natin ang Pilipinas.
Duterte! Bring him home! Bring him home! Brad, yes, Duterte! Yes, Duterte! Yes, Duterte!
Keep moving forward.
Okay, thank you. Duterte tayo! Yes! Duterte! Yes, Duterte! Duterte! Yes, Duterte! 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 Look! Bring PRRD! Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you, sir! Thank you! Laban! Laban! Bring him home! Bring him! Bring him home! Duterte! Bring him home! Po mga kaibigan, bring him home! Yes, Duterte! Yes! Bring him home! Bring him home! Duterte! Bring him home! Marcos pa rin! Bring him home! Free him! Free him! Free him! Bring him home! Duterte! Woo! Laban! Laban! Yes! Duterte! Yes! Woo! Woo! Yep! Bring him home! Duterte! Bring! Yes! Sir! Duterte, sir! Mabuhay! Mabuhay, sir! Mabuhay! Duterte! Yan po mga kaibigan. Ganito kainit ang mga mamamayan nating Pilipino. Para kay PRRD, mabuhay! Mabuhay, Duterte! Bakit niyo sinusuportahan si Duterte, ma'am? Yes. Ma'am, bakit si Duterte sinuportahan natin?
Naging maganda yung pagdala niya sa
Very good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Kayo, ma'am?
So firm in his decision.
So firm. Yan po ang mga katangian ng isang Pangulo. At natikman namin yan noong 2016. Duterte! Sir, bakit sinusuportahan si Duterte? Why are you supporting Duterte?
Siyempre,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes, of
Siya
course.
ang nagpaganda ng bansa natin
Yes!
sa buong mundo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bakit Duterte, ma'am?
Siyempre, siya lang nakapagbabago ng Pilipinas.
Yes! Hanggang ngayon. Okay, salamat. Ma'am, bakit Duterte? Bakit?
Well, we need Duterte in our country.
Yes.
We need Duterte. We need strong.
Very good. Ma'am, bakit kayo Duterte hanggang ngayon?
Because we're friends.
Oh, because you're friends. Why are you supporting Duterte?
Because of the drugs.
Because of the drugs.
Stop the drugs.
He eliminated the drugs. Yes.
We need a strong peace. The number one problem in the Philippines is drugs.
Yes, number one. Ma'am, bakit po Duterte? Ma'am, Hermana Mayor. Ma'am, why are you supporting Duterte?
He's an honest person.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am.
We need Duterte.
Yes. Thank you. Ito po mga kaibigan. Why are you supporting Duterte, sir?
He's the right president. Mumu Marcos, look what he did to the country. He put it down and all that. And everybody saying, "Boom, wrong." Put the money where it belongs. Back in the Philippines, back to the people, and none of this will happen. So vote for the right person. 7 to 30, and you see a big change.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yan po mga kaibigan. Puntahan lang natin yung mga kasamahan natin. Ito picture taking. Pero at least pinalabas natin, pinakita natin ang ating suporta kay Tatay Digong at kay VP Inday Sara.
Tatlong beses.
Ayan po mga kaibigan ng ating mga kababayan, mga solid Duterte supporters dito sa New York. Okay? At
Okay, one more time. Inday Sara for President 2023. 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, please count.
thank you, sir.
Hey, did not take a picture. Hey, did not take a video.
Sir Midnight, thank you for your support.
course.
Any last message that you would like to give to the Filipino people?
Just never stop fighting, never stop giving up. 2 more years, Marcos administration will be done, and Duterte's daughter will absolutely get in there. That will be your new president and the beginning of your new freedom. God bless you, God bless the Philippines, God bless our President Donald J. Trump, and God bless the United States of America. Woo!
Thank you, Sir Midnight. Thank you. Ito po mga kaibigan, pagkatapos naming magmarcha, nagutom kami, kaya ayan ang pagkain namin. Malit lang. Yan, suman. Tagay ko gamay. Salamat.
People have water in there?
Yeah. Salamat mga kaibigan.